Heartbreak can feel like the end of the world, and losing control to distractions like over-sexualized habits can drain your energy. But what if you could reset your life in just 21 days? Welcome to the 21-Day Reset, Heal from Heartbreak and Master Sexual Discipline. In this journey, we'll guide you through practical steps to mend your heart, reclaim your focus, and build unshakable confidence. Let's dive in. This 21-Day Reset is a structured program to heal from heartbreak and cultivate sexual discipline. Heartbreak, whether from a breakup or betrayal, can leave you feeling lost. Meanwhile, habits like excessive pornography or chasing fleeting relationships can sap your motivation. Inspired by resources like Yash P's 21 Days to Heal from Heartbreak Journal, this program breaks down recovery into manageable phases. It's not just about moving on, it's about becoming a stronger, more disciplined version of yourself. Over the next 21 days, you'll focus on emotional healing, self-care, and redirecting your energy toward personal growth. The reset is divided into key phases. Days 1 to 3, acknowledge your emotions, feel the pain, anger, or sadness. Journaling helps you process without judgment. Write down what broke your heart and why it hurts. Days 4 to 7, build support systems, connect with friends, family, or a therapist. As Matthew Hussey's No Contact Rule suggests, take a 21-day break from your ex to focus on healing. Days 8 to 10, prioritize self-care, exercise, meditate, and eat well. Physical health supports emotional recovery, as research shows emotional and physical pain share brain pathways. Days 11 to 14, reflect on the relationship, identify lessons learned and patterns to avoid. This helps break cycles of unhealthy relationships. Days 15 to 17, set boundaries, limit contact with triggers, like social media or mutual friends, to protect your peace. Days 18 to 20, embrace personal growth, pursue new skills or hobbies. This builds confidence and shifts focus from loss to potential. Day 21, move forward, reflect on your progress and set goals for a brighter future. Sexual discipline is a game changer for personal success. As highlighted in Unlocking Success, Mastering Sexual Discipline, over-sexualized habits, like excessive pornography, can drain your motivation by spiking dopamine levels 250% higher than normal. This reset encourages you to quit pornography, save time and energy for meaningful pursuits. Studies show this boosts desire and satisfaction in real relationships. Focus on skill building. Use the 20-hour rule to learn a new skill, making you more interesting and confident. Channel energy wisely. Avoiding impulsive behaviors preserves your masculine energy or inner drive, helping you attract healthier relationships. By redirecting your focus, you'll feel more empowered and less controlled by fleeting desires. This 21-day reset isn't just about healing, it's about transformation. You'll emerge with a clearer mind, a stronger heart, and the discipline to chase your dreams. Start today, and take the first step toward a life of purpose and confidence. Subscribe for more tips, and share your journey in the comments below. Music fades out with a motivational quote on screen. You are strong enough to heal and disciplined enough to thrive. Don't forget to check out the link for 21 Days Reset for Men. Heal from Heartbreak and Mastering Sexual Discipline in my bio. Do well to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now and see you in the next video. Subscribe for more self-improvement content, and share your progress in the comments.